Looking for a natural way to lose weight and boost your health? Meet Moringa, the miracle tree. I'm here to share with you one of nature's most powerful superfoods that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but is just now gaining recognition in the Western world. Moringa oleifera, often called the tree of life, is packed with more nutrients per gram than almost any other plant on Earth. Today, we're diving deep into how this incredible superfood can transform your health, support natural weight loss, and why it deserves a place in your daily wellness routine. So what exactly is Moringa powder and where does it come from? The Moringa tree is native to the foothills of the Himalayas in northern India, but it now grows throughout tropical and subtropical regions around the world. What makes this tree so special is that virtually every part of it is edible and medicinal. The leaves, pods, seeds, and even the bark have been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for over 4,000 years. Moringa powder is made by carefully drying the fresh moringa leaves at low temperatures to preserve their nutritional integrity, then grinding them into a fine, vibrant green powder. This process concentrates all the nutrients, making it one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Just 1 tablespoon of moringa powder contains more vitamin C than an orange, more calcium than milk, and more iron than spinach. Let me break down why moringa is considered a nutritional powerhouse. First, it's absolutely loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about vitamin A for eye health and immune function, vitamin C for collagen production and antioxidant protection, and vitamin E for skin health and cellular protection. It also contains significant amounts of calcium for bone health, potassium for heart function and blood pressure regulation, and iron for energy and oxygen transport. But here's where moringa really shines. It contains over 40 different antioxidant compounds. These antioxidants, including quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene, work together to fight inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is at the root of most modern diseases, from heart disease to diabetes to autoimmune conditions. By reducing inflammation, moringa supports your body's natural healing processes. Moringa also supports cardiovascular health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and reduce arterial plaque buildup. The chlorogenic acid in moringa has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for heart health. For digestive health, moringa contains natural compounds that support healthy gut bacteria and improve nutrient absorption. And when it comes to immunity, the high concentration of vitamin C and other immune-supporting compounds help your body defend against infections and illness. Now let's talk about how moringa can support your natural weight loss goals. This is where moringa really becomes exciting for those looking to shed excess pounds in a healthy, sustainable way. First, moringa naturally boosts your metabolism. The B vitamins in moringa, particularly B1, B2, and B3, play crucial roles in converting food into energy rather than storing it as fat. The chlorogenic acid I mentioned earlier doesn't just help with blood sugar, it also promotes fat breakdown and prevents the formation of new fat cells. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is managing blood sugar spikes and crashes that lead to cravings. Moringa helps regulate blood sugar levels, which means fewer energy crashes and less likelihood of reaching for sugary snacks. When your blood sugar is stable, your body can more effectively burn stored fat for energy. Moringa is also incredibly high in fiber, about 25% fiber by weight. This fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness and satiety, meaning you'll naturally eat less without feeling deprived. The fiber also slows down the absorption of sugars from other foods, further supporting stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, moringa contains compounds that may help reduce the absorption of dietary fats and support the body's natural detoxification processes. When your liver and other detox organs are functioning optimally, your metabolism works more efficiently. So how do you actually incorporate moringa powder into your daily routine? The beauty of moringa powder is its versatility. The most popular way is to add it to smoothies. Just 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon blended with your favorite fruits and vegetables. The mild, slightly earthy taste pairs well with tropical fruits like mango and pineapple, or green combinations with spinach and cucumber. You can also stir moringa powder into herbal teas, sprinkle it over yogurt or oatmeal, or even mix it into homemade energy balls or protein bars. Some people like to make moringa tea by mixing the powder with hot water and a bit of honey. For optimal benefits, I recommend starting with half a teaspoon daily, and gradually working up to 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. This allows your body to adjust and helps prevent any digestive sensitivity. The best time to take moringa is in the morning or early afternoon, as its energizing properties might interfere with sleep if taken too late in the day. While moringa is generally very safe for most people, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Some people may experience mild digestive upset when first starting moringa, especially if they take too much too quickly. This is why I always recommend starting with smaller amounts and gradually increasing. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid moringa supplements, as there isn't enough research on its safety during these times. The roots and bark of the moringa tree contain compounds that could potentially cause complications during pregnancy. If you're taking medications, particularly for diabetes or blood pressure, consult with your healthcare provider before adding moringa to your routine, as it may enhance the effects of these medications. Also, because moringa can be quite detoxifying, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's natural elimination processes. Moringa powder truly is one of nature's most complete superfoods. We've covered how it provides essential vitamins and minerals, fights inflammation with powerful antioxidants, supports heart health and immunity, and can be a valuable tool in your natural weight loss journey by boosting metabolism, regulating blood sugar, and promoting satiety. The key to success with any superfood is consistency. Moringa isn't a magic bullet, but when combined with a healthy diet and active lifestyle, it can provide significant support for your wellness goals. Remember, the best approach to health is always a holistic one that includes whole foods, regular movement, stress management, and quality sleep. If you're ready to experience the benefits of this incredible superfood, start slowly and listen to your body. And if you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe for more evidence-based wellness tips and natural health strategies. Your journey to optimal health is a marathon, not a sprint, and I'm here to support you every step of the way.